So this new zero tolerance policy by the JFF re-coaches certification for the Jamaica Premier League, fines of $50,000 for shouting instructions from the bench without the minimum B license certification. Now, while we understand the Federation's quest for certification as a means of ensuring a minimum standard of coaching at the highest level of club football, my issue is that people don't need to be certified to be brilliant and successful football coaches. Indeed, two of the most successful and winningest coaches in the Jamaica Premier League right now, Lenny and Jerome Wade, with some 7 league titles between them, plus countless schoolboy titles. And yet, as per the current rules, Lenny and Jerome Wade have to sit on the team bench, while some more qualified and certified coaches with less actual coaching success are permitted to bellow out instructions to the team, while Jerry and Lenny can't say a word. Make that make sense.